Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll discuss how we can display post views counter on your WordPress website. So this is something you can see WordPress blogs. There are multiple blogs. So once you click on each of blog, you can see the details page for each. And now we are going to add a post views counter so that visitor can see how many visits over there. Okay, so in that case we need to install a plugin. So just go to the plugin section first. So here go to the plugin and click on add new, and once you click on add new option, you can go to the search section and type post views counter, something like this. And after that you can see the multiple plugins, but this is the best plugin for viewing for post views. Just install this plugin first. Okay, and once it's installed, you can click on activate buttons, and then we can configure the settings as well. So I just installed this plugin, and now we are going to check if there is any settings available or not. Okay, so here you can see this is for post views counter, and click on settings. And once you click on settings, you can see this kind of things over there, and see post views, post type counts for landing page, media, my templates, news, and pages, as well as for post. So as we are going to display the post views count on our post section, so we'll always check posts only, and then you can display enable this one as well, post counter. You can add a count interval as well. Okay, you can if you would like to reset your data after certain time, you can. That's it. And after that, save the changes. So once you save the changes, go to your blog page, I mean the details page, blog details page. So this is for blog 4, and then refresh this one first. So once you refresh, you can see the post views is 1. Okay, and go to the another post. So let's click on block 3, and you can see the post views for ones. As I just open this page for the first time, that's why I just seeing only 1. So this is something we can easily add a post views count on your WordPress post section. And we always use this plugin as because this is the best plugin to display post views. That's it. Thank you.